Year, millions of Americans seek out treatments to ease the signs of aging. In today's HealthCast, Local 10 medical specialist Christy Kruger is in the newsroom with some potential weapons in the war on wrinkles.
All right, well, first there was Botox, of course, then came Dysport, two injectable forms of botulism toxin that freeze those facial muscles to soften your lines. Well, a third product is now in the works we need to tell you about. Dermatologist Dr. Leslie Clark-Loescher says a new product from Revance Pharmaceuticals is about to enter phase 3. That's the last phase of clinical trials.
What they have reported in their phase 2 studies is that actually treating the glabella or the 11s had a result that lasted twice as long as its major competitor Botox, and that was in their comparative study.
And you know what? There's even more good news. The doctor says that all this competition between all the pharmaceutical companies could lead to a reduction in the cost of our wrinkle removers. Also in today's HealthCast, a highly criticized cosmetic procedure is now getting a makeover of its own. A procedure, it was called the thread lift. Remember that one? It was put on the back burner because there were so many complaints about less than desirable results and even painful complications. Well, a big problem was that the original threads were permanent. Now doctors are working with different varieties of absorbable suture material that dissolves on its own over time, and that gives patients a little lifting and tightening that can last for about a year.
People that would be great for this type of lift, the new lift or the new mesh, would be patients in their 30s to 50s, patients that are starting to get a little bit of that jowl here. They kind of need a little pick-me-up. Or even that little crepey skin that you start getting here on the cheeks, that kind of stuff, or in the neck. Those are going to be your good candidates.
I don't know what she's talking about. All right, Bell Harbor dermatologist Dr. Stacy Chimento says that the threads can be used to lift other parts of the body too. You know what? You could lift your chest, you could lift those knees, those wrinkly knees, even your tummy. The cost of this procedure can range from about $400 to $1,200 depending on the number of threads used. And that is your HealthCast today. I'm Christy Kruger holding my chin up.
No need for that. Christy, thank you so much. We want to bring you